The launch of Xiaomi Mi Mix 3 is scheduled for later this week, but information on the next phone continues to arrive. The smartphone will be officially released on October 25 in China, and only a couple of days before Xiaomi confirms one of its features of the camera. The Chinese manufacturer has reported that the camera in Mi Mix 3 will allow the recording of slow-motion video at 960 fps. Meanwhile, a new set of images of the alleged Mi Mix 3 shows its fingerprint sensor and dual front camera configuration. To remember, Xiaomi had recently confirmed that the Mi Mix 3 will sport two 24-megapixel selfie cameras. Mi Mix 3 will have video recording support in slow motion, capable of capturing 960 frames per second. Sony was one of the first mobile device manufacturers to introduce video recording support at 960 fps on its Xperia XZ Premium, 40,994 and the Xperia XZ2 phones. Later, Samsung had brought the super slow motion mode with the launch of its 2018 flagships, Galaxy S9, 42,999 and Galaxy Note 9. Recently, another Chinese manufacturer, Huawei, added 960 fps of video recording to the P20 Pro, 64,999 smartphone. Xiaomi could also introduce a fingerprint sensor on their next Mi Mix 3 smartphone, however, this has not yet been confirmed.